Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of cycling with a review of what we believe to be the best road bike tubes on the market, the Corki Cycles 700C inner tubes. Let's get rolling. If you're a cyclist, you know the importance of having reliable inner tubes for your road bike. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a leisurely ride or pushing your limits in a race, having the right tubes can make all the difference. So, what makes the Corki Cycles 700C inner tubes stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down. These tubes are designed to fit a range of tire sizes, including 700x23C, 700x24C, and 700x25C. Plus, with both Presta and Schrader valve options, they're compatible with a variety of bikes. Crafted from heavy-duty butyl rubber, these tubes are built to last. Say goodbye to punctures and flats mid-ride, Corki Cycles has you covered. With a pack of 4 tubes included in each purchase, you'll have spares on hand for any unexpected mishaps or replacements down the line. That wraps up our review of the Corki Cycles 700C inner tubes. If you're ready to take your cycling game to the next level, be sure to check them out. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.